Previously, I showed you how to install these on-off Zigbee mini relay. These works really great. It will turn any dumb switches into smart switches. For instance, in your house, you can still keep the switches to turn the lights on, but behind these switches will be these relay to make them smart. Today, I'll show you how to install these with Power Monitor. Now, you'll be able to see how much power your devices consume. Honestly, I really don't care about power consumption, but in order to make some dumb devices to be smart, this is the only way. For instance, the motion light outside my door is dumb as a rock, but once I connect them to this relay, as soon as motion is detected and light turns on, and of course the power consumption goes up, then I'll know the light has been triggered by motion in my yard. I'm really curious what you guys will be using this, so feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Now, let's get started with wiring. Before we actually deploy this out in the field, it's best to check it out, verify that it is working. Here you can see I'm just going to grab a power cord and plug it straight in. The white is going into the neutral in. The black is going into the load in. The black from the light will be the load out. The white from the light will be neutral out. If you want manual override for this light to be controlled with a switch on the wall, for instance, then just plug the two wires from the switch going into S1 and the other wire will be going to S2. I won't be manually controlling the lights, so that's why it's empty. Here's a closer look at the wiring. Getting the device into Home Assistant is relatively easy. All you have to do is go to Zigbee to MQTT, click on Permit Join. Now, on the relay, go ahead and plug it into the wall. As soon as it gets power, it's going to try to pair it up with your hub. I'm using Home Assistant as the hub. Once it pairs successfully with your hub, this is what it should look like. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon to rename it. Give it a name and don't forget to check the box Update Home Assistant Entity ID and then click on Rename Device. Now let's jump into Settings, Integrations, MQTT, search for your device, and this is what you should see. And now you're able to control the relay remotely. Once you flip it on, go ahead and go down to power, and you can see how much power is being drawn. Right now it's outputting 19 watts. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to set up your smart relay with power monitoring. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.